I love celebrating each state that I'm in. This one, we are going to make the Georgia peach buckle. Now, I always adjust every recipe to my own liking. So today, I am mixing some blueberries and peaches together with the sugar. We're gonna mix this up, set it aside, preheat the oven to 375, and then we're gonna make this peach and blueberry buckle. Now we're going to be mixing 1 egg, beat up a little bit, with a 1/2 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I like to add just a little extra of the vanilla. We're gonna beat all this up together. Then we'll mix the rest of our stuff. Now, I'm gonna cream in 4 tablespoons of the butter if it comes off. Now we're creaming in 4 tablespoons of the butter. I don't think we'll need a blender or a mixer. I think we can do it with hand. Okay, now we will mix a little flour and a little milk alternately, mixing after each till we get it all blended and smooth. Okay, now we are going to pour the batter into the greased pan. This is like a 10 by 10. Now for the topping: flour, sugar, and the butter that will all mix together. Making this. Now we're making the topping with butter, flour, and sugar just to crumbles so we can pour it on top. Okay, now that we have our batter, our fruit, and our topping, we're going to put it all together and have a delicious peach and blueberry buckle. Put the fruit all on top of the batter, and then the crumbles or the topping on top of that. Now it's ready to put in the oven at 375 for 40 to 50 minutes. I think it looks like a nice golden brown. I did it 40 minutes. Let's take it out and see. It seems flaky to me. Well, it looks like I'd better give it the taste test. Several other people have. You can eat this hot or cold with ice cream or whipped cream. Oops, too big. And it's delicious.